Yeah.
Well, that sucker's got some weight, dude. Oh. Okay, let me stand this up, and I'll show you guys so you can see it correctly.
That's not clean.
Yeah.
That's the driver, boy. That's
what it says on top. But then what you see as the grower is the bottom side.
Yeah.
You see this right here. Boom. 650S NextGen. But yeah, then even if you go to the top side of the light, you see optic LED grow lights.
Yes, sir.
Because you need to be able to look at the light from any angle and see that it's an optic. So that, boom. And also another way you typically know if it's an optic is because you got the blues.
Just by the configuration, every time I see a picture, I can tell it's an optic.
Yeah.
It's very obvious.
Yeah.
It's an optic.
Yeah, absolutely, man. We really try to drive that home.
Yep.
Just like Apple tries to have, it's an iPhone. That's their design, the thicker, boom. That's our thought too. We want it to stand out where you instantly can tell.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah, we got a bunch of new cool stuff coming through. I'll even, I will even, because I'm kind of killing two birds with one stone. I'll even crack open the bar light side of it because, here we go. Is right when you pull the light out the box. So when people come and see this later, this is what they want. Boom. What are you gonna see? Okay, you're gonna say, oh, that just says optic, nothing crazy yet. Oh, wait a minute. Wait just a minute here. This is what it says when you pull it out.
Oh, that's nice.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Oh, it's badged all the way around. What? Look at those beautiful white Samsung boards in there too, guys. Look at those.
That's
what?
the beauty right there.
Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Dude. Yep. So, there we go. I'm going to set that right there. Shit. I'm showing my huge mess everywhere, but you know what? I don't care because that's sometimes it's part of the grow life is you've got construction going on.
Yeah.
Finishing touch there. Because what we did is we upgraded the screws to these. So think about it, you don't even need a tool. You just twist them right on there.
Yeah, the thumb screws.
Oh, is that what those are called?
Yeah.
Thumb screws?
Yeah, because we use them on computers.
Nice.
Makes it easy.
Yeah, there we go. Let's the bedroom door just tried to open on me. Okay. So the back side of the light here, boom. Okay. And I'll move the phone so you can see, of course. Just putting some styrofoam underneath it so that I don't scratch up the bottom of the bar light. I like to keep my lights in mint condition. At least the best I can. Okay. Now, this cord, the single cord side, the other side's a double. The single cord goes straight to your dimmer config, and the back side's what sends the juice out to the bar light.
I see that.
So.
Oh, and then you plug it in on top. I like that.
You know the drill. Is these are threaded, these holes. So I'm gonna pop this on there real quick. Here we go. Okay, the first one, screw it on. Get the second one screwed on. Easy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I see that.
Yeah. So let me show you what it looks like real quick where we're at. This is the top side. Not only are you got your badge, it's like on the spine kind of. You also have your optic die cut driver case with your 3 drivers internally. And you have all the way around badging. So this is something new. We've never had topside badging on the Slim series before. It's usually just on the front support bar. Now let me turn it around. Because this is the side that the grower sees. So you want the grower to be able to have a good view. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
What? Oh, that is hitting hard right there.
That's nice.
Dude,
That's really
when I look at the pictures, I like to look at it like this, I guess. When I look at the picture, sometimes I was like, oh my gosh, this is like my favorite pick. But then you can hit it like that because it's a NextGen. Beautiful white boards. Boom. That's pretty easy setup though, don't you think?
Yeah, that's a nice light.
You do have to plug these into the bottom. See how those pop right in there? Like that. You just gotta get it lined up and then twist it right on there. And then you have a waterproof fitting with the rubber grommet basically. Boom. So then when you hit the red dimmer, and that's letting just pure red flow. There's a lot of juice on those. This whole room is red off of that.
Yeah, that's bright.
For sure.
You have yourself a spot.
Yeah, these are going to, for 2023, because this just came out, literally the release date is actually January, I think 1st, 2nd, or 3rd. So these literally just came out. Like we literally just started shipping them.